Welcome back to Ben on Demand. Let's go. As you can see, I'm in the home studio with the faux brick wall. There's a green screen behind here. But yeah, so today I have some amazing stuff to share with you guys. I actually just about to do an interview here. Let me come and get in the light. So I'm about to do an interview with my buddy Pritesh from KaizenCrypto. Yeah, my allergies are bothering me a little bit. Should be clearing up here in a few. But we're going to be talking about making passive income with Cardano and talking about my new stake pool and stuff like that. I'm going to leave the link in the bio to the, in the descriptions for you guys to see the full interview. And I also have a tutorial for anybody that wants to make passive income using Cardano. So yeah, let me get prepared for this video and I'll chat with you guys directly after it, kind of let you know how everything went. But check it out. Be right back.
Very cool. So Ben, talking a little bit more about being involved in crypto. So how long have you been involved in crypto?
Oh man, so I've been in Bitcoin. It's so crazy the way I got into Bitcoin. I'm always in all the different tech forums, and I'm at the time when I learned about Bitcoin, I was really trying to refine myself in the professional world and become a real IT person and so forth. So I'm in all the tech forums trying to learn about everything, get ahead of the curve. And I ended up finding out about Bitcoin, and it was like $5 at the time. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. It was $5 at the time, and I was renting a townhouse. Me, my wife, and my 2 kids at the time. We were renting a townhouse, and I was like, okay, a little bit of extra money, which wasn't much, I was going to, kind of put in Bitcoin and see what it does. Fast forward a little bit, we decided we didn't want to be in the townhouse anymore. We needed some more space. And luckily, my parents, they had an extra room. So we were like, okay, we can go there and save up money and, try to purchase our first home, All right, guys, the interview was a success. I'm on my way to the grocery store right now. But if you want to make some passive income in the crypto world, definitely check the link in the bio. I have a full free tutorial, pretty much giving you guys step-by-step information on how you can make passive income and get in the staking pool and start making money anytime I make money in the crypto space. It's totally free and it's really easy. All you need is a Cash App. And you can actually purchase Bitcoin there. But I'll tell you exactly how to do it. It's straightforward, guys. And thanks again to Pritesh for allowing me to come on your channel and speak with the people for a little bit. KaizenCrypto is amazing. And to watch the full interview, I'll have the link in the bio, guys. Until then, I'm out.